What?
Can you get me on video for with drifting Holden's truck?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we'll just stand here and watch him.
All right.
You getting in here or no?
I don't have my gloves. Go. Oh, holy shit.
It's a fucking cloud of snow. That's all it is.
I had to fucking see Shelly Rollman.
Oh my god! He's a fucking snowman!
You want me to drive? You want me to drive? Here, get in the passenger. No, I'm done. I can't feel my face. Let's wait, close the door.
Is that what it looked like on mine too?
What?
You tell it it looked like when I was doing it?
Yep.
Oh my god. I can't feel my face, man.
Oh my god. There was actually snow in my ear.
No, you see my face? It was
Yeah, you were covered.
white. It hurt so bad, too. Ah, I got frostbite in my ear. Honestly, I can't feel my ear, actually. I can't. That's not good. Look at what we did to the freaking field. My landlords are gonna absolutely kill me. You know what my dad said?
What?
He said, sure, but no horsing around.
Oh fuck.
I'll probably be killed.
I don't know, this kind of looks like horsing around. A little bit.
Jared, how's your face? I know!
Holy fuck, also you drive it.
I'm
Yeah,
not
I'll say,
driving
get
that.
in.
Not driving that.
Yes.
Let's wait, get in.
No.
Get
Here,
in!
I'll go in with you.
Let's wait, get in.
I don't want to
Did I spray you guys with snow?
No, you were very close.
Let's wait.
Look at the seat.
Is it bad? Josue, get in. It's fucking awesome. Josue, don't be a little pussy.
I actually don't.
Come on, Josue. Josue, I was fucking flooring it the whole time. Get in, Josue. Get in. Josue, come on. It's no different than a truck, like, honest to God.
I know that. I just don't want to touch it.
Why?
Because
You're not gonna break it, I swear to God.
Yeah, no
I know
shit.
I'm not gonna
I was
break it,
really
so-
fucking romping on it.
You don't like if you're running home, you have to go fast.
Yeah, Josue, just get in and just drive it around the field for a little bit.
I don't want to drive.
Why?
Fine. No, you said no. No.
Josue, get back in the passenger seat.
No.
I wouldn't.
Holy fuck, that's cold.
I tried to do a donut, but
So did I. I tried to. I really tried to do a donut. I couldn't get it to do it. I'm gonna put it.
We have to do this again, but this time in daylight.
oh my god, I don't know I can hold again.
My face, dude.
The
Happens,
whole
man.
passenger side of my face. We are in two-wheel drive.
All right, let's go.
Nice.
Bring the front of this truck. Bring the front of this truck.
Also, you gotta just try and like drive it really slow. It's fucking awesome. Like the power that this thing has is ridiculous. Come on, just for RNHQ, try it once.
I'm not part of RNHQ. Part of RNHQ.
Just try it once.
Nah.
Please.
What do you want to even try it so
Because
bad?
also it's fucking awesome. You're missing out. You really are. Come on.
No.
Why?
I
What
just
will
don't.
we have to do to get you to try it?
Yeah, I didn't really want to. I don't want to become a snowman again.
You're not going to become a snowman if you just drive slow. I will take your keys and put them in the truck so you won't leave them. Just please, Josue.
No.
Josue wants to try it. Get out.
No, I don't.
Yeah, he does.
Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I'm cold.
I'm also cold. There's
Let me take it for
there's
another
snow
rip.
in my shoe.
Let me take it for another rip. Give me your gloves.
I don't feel anything.
Give me your gloves.
Don't try to rip it up too much.
No, I'm gonna try
It's
to
already
sit on
pretty
it.
fucked up.
Why?
There's like no horsing around. There's grass everywhere.
No horsing around. Get where
I can't even put my hands in my pockets because my pockets have snow in them.
I know. I can't stick my hand in my pocket. because I
Can't
have my-
step with this foot because there's snow in it.
He's not in the light, man. And he's got it.
It'd be cool if my truck had a fucking light bar as well. I could place my truck over there and get another good light bar.
That'd be sweet. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. He has it going there. Okay, I think that's enough. Sir. Let's call it a day. Let's call her. I'm cold. I'm so cold.
Do an outro.
This is RNHQ. This is RNHQ. That thing is a fucking beast. Arctic, if you watch this, sponsor us. This thing is amazing.
4-wheel drive all the way.
But the whole side of my face is cold.
Woo! How to become a snowman, part 1.
If you like this video at any time, hit the like button, subscribe. Plenty more where this came from. We're out.